Hey everybody, we're gonna be recording two of the most funniest cat videos ever. Oh, hey, man. Shut up. Just watch the video.
Не надо.
No, I'm not supposed to laugh. Oh man, I'm
You
not
can't
so
even.
live.
What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
What did you just say?
Hey, I got a cookie from you too.
This cat is not being harmed in any way and truly enjoys doing this trick.
It's a little flip.
Part 2, double mom hug.
Aww.
Fatty meters.
Eat screaming.
Oh, it's cold.
These people use their cat to catch a bug.
Dare, I dare you.
Yes, girl.
At least your cat's gone.
Oh my god!
No. No, you lost your life. Oh no, I lost my heart too. You have one more heart. I have two.
Hi, how you doing?
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah.
What did I
She came home after petting a cat that her cat absolutely hates.
I didn't laugh. No, you laughed. You laughed. No, I didn't. I coughed. No, you didn't. You have one more heart like me. No, I don't.
This is Aries, who is a cat that was born with hyperextended
Guys,
rear
they made
legs.
me laugh.
He isn't in any pain and is pretty much a normal cat in every other way.
You lost a heart.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
This, you can do it.
I thought
You can do it, Snowball. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
This cat seems to have adopted this monkey.
Yeah. No, because
I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere.
Yeah,
Like, where did they go?
Vital Farms farmers are up early every day for their hens. But couldn't you just sleep in?
Do you like waiting for your breakfast?
Vital Farms. Good eggs, no shortcuts.
Major announcement. Walmart Plus members get early access to the hottest Black Friday deals. Who knew? That's first dibs on...
This poor cat had an existential crisis.
Why are you doing this?
He was trying to force his cat to love him.
It's not that serious.
You can have one bite. It's pistachio ice cream.
This chunky monster of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
The streamer's cat really loves her.
Okay, bye.
I don't know what she's looking at. He just flung cat litter out of the box.
I'm not laughing.
He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
It's not her fault, though.
El cielo se cae, dijo el chicken little.
All these are gonna be super easy.
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
Can you, like,
For some
What about
reason,
me?
a bat latched onto the collar of this cat.
is there a candy? I'm not laughing my ass off. So shut up. No, no. Were you licking it? Oh, what the fuck? Now it's coughing. This is the end. No one, someone warned me. No, it's not the end.
This poor cat was halfway to heaven.
Nella,
Mama.
girl, stop. Jesus Christ. You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
Dad, I'm leaving. I'm tired. Okay, whatever. I'll record myself then. Oh my god, what did I show on my face the whole time?
They wanted to introduce their new kitten to their older cat.
I did not laugh.
Stop. Shut up.
This cat was in trouble and yelled for backup from her big brother.
What?
What do you think is wrong with this cat?
Stop it.
Why are you looking like that? Hey, yo,
Stop.
you're freaky.
What are you doing?
By the way, guys, I'm drinking beer underage. I'm just joking. It's root beer. Let's read it.
Do you
It's
like
root
your
beer.
new tie?
Wah. It says wah on your screen, but it says aw
It
on
makes
my
you look
screen.
very handsome.
This cat was really upset that they woke up from their nap.
Why?
Do you wake yourself up? No, you are so very grumpy.
Why are you doing this?
Careful, please. Really careful. Not yet. Roger.
This is so long. I'm concerned for that cat. Aww.
A cat got too close to a candle and its tail caught on fire. The outer layer of fur was protecting the cat, which is why the cat didn't freak out.
Should I call 911? No. Go. Go away.
I have never seen a cat run in cursive before.
Stay away from me, freak. Hey, you.
Unfortunately, Oliver as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go.
I'm so sorry. I have a weird virus in my phone.
This
It's not
behavior
actually
is
my phone.
not professional, and I will
It's
be
my
calling
sister's phone.
security.
Okay, I lost the game. Bye guys, I lost. Too bad my sister's not here.